Based on family accounts, a source with knowledge of the investigation says Aaron Alexis had trouble sleeping in recent years, was hearing voices in his head. Law enforcement sources say he made contact with 2 VA hospitals for psychological issues. A Defense Department official says Alexis had 8 instances of misconduct in the Navy before his honorable discharge in 2011. Police records say he had 3 arrests between 2004 and 2010. 1 for disorderly conduct, 2 for gun-related offenses, including an incident when he fired 2 shots into the tires of a construction worker's car in Seattle.
An arrest for gun violations should have disqualified him.
Disqualified him from getting a secret security clearance, according to Sheldon Cohen, an attorney who specializes in that. Cohen and other attorneys say a private firm does background checks on civilian contractors for the government's Office of Personnel Management. OPM checks the information, Cohen says, then passes it to the Defense Department. There's one office in DOD that then determines whether someone gets the kind of security clearance Alexis had. Cohen says somewhere in those 3 layers, someone dropped the ball. Should all of this cumulatively, or at least a little piece of it, been flagged and been a reason for him not to get that clearance?
From my experience with this, he absolutely should not have gotten a clearance. Anybody that I've encountered with any kind of, even half of this record, does not get a clearance.
We've reached out to that Pentagon office, the Office of Personnel Management, and a private firm we believe could have done Alexis's background check. None of them have commented on Alexis's case. Investigators, meanwhile, say they're still trying to piece together a motive for why Alexis would have shot and killed 12 people at the Navy Yard. A friend says he had one dispute with the Navy over a contracting job in Japan late last year.
He got back and he felt very slighted about his benefits at the time. Financial issues, he wasn't getting paid on time, he wasn't getting paid what he was supposed to be getting paid.
But the CEO of the private contracting firm that Alexis worked for says no one at any of his recent contracting jobs had any problems with him, or at least didn't report those problems if they had any, Wolf.
The Pentagon is about to begin a worldwide investigation into this whole process. So what are we learning on that front?
We are learning from our Barbara Starr, Wolf, that from a senior Pentagon official that the Defense Secretary Chuck Hagel intends to order a full and comprehensive review of the physical security and the clearance process at all of the Defense Department installations worldwide. That announcement should be coming soon.